Okay, sick on them. Y'all niggas gon' shit, sick pics on them. Eat your ass up quick, so delicious, homie. Fucking with my boys, really you miss it, homie. Yeah, Kevin, without the trace. Nigga, without the trace. Nigga, yeah, without the trace. Fuck your ass up, leave your ass without the trace. Hansel and Gretel leaving crumbs. You thought that is after. I came through when the bitch so mastered. She looking clean, I ate that ass up after. Y'all niggas so bad, I need to wash it. I take your bitch and put her hand in my pocket. She said, what that? I said, hold on, girl, that's my girl. She said she wanna, I said, come on, girl, that's good. I said she want it, she don't really want it. Ate her ass up and said, show me my next opponent. She rolled on it, called me a macaroni. She even need a saddle, she just jumped up on the pony. Ooh, I ate her up just like bologna. I had mayonnaise on the sandwich, that's something. You know what that, I call it nothing, it's nothing. Fuck that, I'm getting money, I'm hustling. Tell them niggas I'm getting. Fucking with my money, leave your ass in the river. Concrete shoes, sinking them down. Them niggas ain't shit, I'm getting too proud. I'm saying it too loud, I'm smoking on it loud. I call it Maui Wowie, aka I call it South. Oh, go remember I'm Austin Powers. I'm running off the ladder, I ran 100 miles. Niggas, they talk shit, my hands smack in their mouth. I told them talk, I'ma throw the words back in their mouth. Call me Bane, I leave them up, I bust their brain, then I beat them up. Take a bitch and I fuck her brains. Damn, I'm so insane with the flows. Y'all niggas need to change with the clothes. Look at this, I got kicks on, you ain't even got it. I'm the only topic, your girl should be proud of. She running around the house talking about she black and she proud. And she white because she had a black dick in her mouth. Y'all niggas talk shit, I'm real sick with the mouth. Come up on you with the hands, bitch it down in the couch. Woo! Slow me down, I'm so rapping, I'm thirsty. Need to get a drink with all these bitches won't hurt me. Perpy, I be with a perpy. Call me Steve Urkel, she hurt me. Did I do that? We do that shit, man. Play that shit, man. We do that shit, nigga. This without a trace, nigga. Trace, nigga. Chuck, Lil G, nigga. Holla at us. You don't want it. You don't want it. Y'all niggas ain't fucking with us, man. Ain't fucking.